So we are stranded here in Kazakhstan, but so technically we're stuck here in Kazakhstan because there's no international flights out of here. We've been here since last August of 2019, and we're scheduled to fly out in June, I think around June 20th. And we have our tickets, but we don't know if the international airports will be open or if the airports in the Philippines will be accepting us. So everything's kind of up in the air right now. So since our school is still open, I'm teaching online. So what am I using? I'm using Teams. I like Microsoft Teams. I have 4 teams: an AP Calc, AP Stat, Advanced Math 2, and a Middle School Science. This is my garden over here. I'm sure if they're doing that good, they seem to be doing a little bit better today. So hopefully they'll be growing. That's my baby. How you doing? How's my baby? Okay, we're still in lockdown here in Kazakhstan, and I'm gonna head to the food store. It's a nice warm sunny day here. Gosh, we had snow 2 weeks ago. Now it's like 80 degrees. Now I'm gonna be heading down to the store now. We're allowed to go out. You have to have your mask on to go in the store. So you need papers to go to the store. I have those. And the store I'm going to is just down the street. About a 5-minute walk. I'm gonna buy some milk and some fruits and vegetables, and then bring it back. Okay, there's hardly anybody out. Usually this pathway to the store is pretty crowded, and maybe now there's just 1 or 2 people. Okay, so just came back from the store and have to wait in line. They only let 1 person in at the fruit stand, so it's in there. And I'm gonna walk home now. It's only about 5-10 minutes, but that's all we can do. We can just go to the store. Okay, so I'm heading back to our campus now. Good thing here is they have to stop when they're in the crosswalk, so that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna head back into our place now.